Happy 4th of July, everybody. As you can see, I'm in my office. I'm not in my leisure travel van. Why am I not in my leisure travel van on the 4th of July? Well, because everybody else on the planet is in their RV on the 4th of July, right? I'm going to let everybody enjoy all those state parks and RV parks and all that. And we will go soon once all the crowds disperse, right? But I was in my leisure travel van coming through Oklahoma City the other day, and this is what I want to say. If you have one on order, if you're considering a leisure travel van, if you're considering other RVs, one of the great things about a 25-foot coach is you can put that thing almost anywhere. I was in Oklahoma City. I mooch docked at my sister's house. They live in this really cool part of Oklahoma City. Their house is 102 years old, but I was able to fit my RV in there perfectly. They're actually RV enthusiasts as well and actually had 30 amp hookups. So I was plugged into 30 amp like I was at an RV park. That's real mooch docking right there, right? But you say, well, that's great. You had your air conditioner on. Well, there are several ways that I can run my air conditioner. I can run it off of 20 amp service. I can run it off my lithium batteries. And well, how can you do that? Well, that is an exciting video we've got coming up. I'm going to be discussing everything it takes to run the air conditioner in my leisure travel van off my Lithionics 315 amp hour battery and everything that goes into it. So if you think you can just put in lithium batteries and run your air conditioner, no, no, no. Lots and lots of mods. And one of them is something we're going to be giving away. The guys over at Soft Start RV, in fact, I have one. It's over here on the table. One second. Oh, I'm back. So right here, we're going to be giving this guy away. Can you see that? Yes, it's a Soft Start RV. The guys over there have given us this to give away to one of our viewers. And so you're going to want to subscribe or be watching for that video where we talk about the entire lithium upgrade in my leisure travel van and what all you need in order to run your air conditioner and basically everything in your coach off of your lithium batteries. Now then, be watching for that. Couple of other things that I want to talk about upcoming, and I want to hear in the comments down below your thoughts as well. First off, if you've watched my video on what's the best toad to pull with your leisure travel van, I'll link that video right here. But my conclusion was a Subaru Crosstrek is what we were going to do. I still have not pulled the trigger on getting a toad yet. And so, as you know, there is a weight limit on leisure travel vans. You can't pull what you can pull with, big diesel pushers or big Class Cs. You can't pull F-150s or Tahoes or anything like that. You have to stick with something, under 4,000 pounds really to be on the safe side. But I had a little thought process. Do I get an aluminum trailer and a smart car? Why? Because when you tow four wheels down, you can't back up. I mean, you could a little bit, but you can't back up. If you get in a spot where you have to back up, you really got to go unhook and all of that stuff. Well, with the trailer, all of a sudden, you're able to do anything you want to go. You can go into anywhere that you can back up, right? So there's pros and cons to that. Do I want to do that? I don't know. So that's going to be a video. I'm going to be talking about that, what all those options are, what trailer, what smart car, all of those different things. Now then, I'm also thinking about getting a fifth wheel. Well, I'm going to keep my leisure travel van, of course. I love that. I'll always have a leisure travel van. But I'm thinking about getting a fifth wheel. I love fifth wheels. And it's a totally different RV experience that I want to experience. Plus, we've got land in Colorado that we can put this thing on and enjoy very much a home-like feel. The leisure travel van's very homey, but very small. The leisure travel van the fifth wheel would actually give us a little more room for extended stays and things like that. So I'm going to be discussing what brands of fifth wheel am I looking at. I'm going to be discussing which one-ton truck am I going to get with it, a Ram, a Denali, or a F-150, 350, not an F-150, 350. You got to have a one-ton truck really for a fifth wheel. Well, the fifth wheels that I want anyway. Then also dual wheel or single wheel. So I'll be making a video about all of that. So lots of stuff coming up on the channel. Again, thanks for watching. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to do so. Leave a thumbs up. It really helps. I'm loving seeing the growth of the channel. Really appreciate everybody. And happy 4th of July. And be watching for this giveaway right here. It's $330, right? I think it's on sale right now for $30 off. there's a link on our website. I'll put that link right there. Okay. So anyway, happy 4th of July. We'll see you next time.